What do you understand by VUCA skills? So, as we know, VUCA stands for volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous. Okay, so VUCA skills involves the ability to anticipate and adapt to the changes very quickly. Means the people who are having VUCA skills, they are very good to anticipate the changes. Means this change is going to be happen, and what are the remedies or what are the ways so that we can compensate that specific change, or we can formulate the strategy, we can use or execute that specific plan to overcome with that specific change. Okay, so we can say that VUCA involves the ability to anticipate and adapt the changes very quickly, to think strategically, or to develop creative solutions. The people who are having good VUCA skills, they are very much they are having very much strong intuition about the future, about the uncertain circumstances, or they are having the alternatives of plans. If this will happen, they will execute this plan. If this that will happen, they will execute that plan. Okay, so like this, they think strategically and they develop creative solutions so that they can cope up with the problems, they can cope up with the uncertain conditions, uncertain environmental situations. Okay, so from where this VUCA concept was originated. Okay, so United States Army War College was one of the first organization to use this VUCA acronym. Okay, because military planners were worried about the radically different and unfamiliar international security environment that had emerged, so that they used VUCA to describe it. Means during the military tenure, the military people have understood this thing, that there can be the uncertain environmental conditions. Okay, or there can be the unfamiliar international security environment. So to cope up with that unfamiliar international security environment, we have to develop the VUCA skills into our soldiers so that they can cope up with the volatile, uncertain, complex, and then VUCA stands, as I have told you, VUCA stands for volatile, that is, change is rapid and unpredictable in its nature and extent. Okay, so change is rapid and unpredictable. We cannot predict the change. We cannot predict, we cannot say, we cannot give you the assurance that whatever plans we have, we will execute that, because we never know. We never know about the unexpected things, we never know about the unexpected outcomes, unexpected events that can happen into the environment. Okay, and due to that our business can be affected. So volatile, then uncertain, the present is uncertain, the future is uncertain. So we should do planning in such a way so that whatever uncertain conditions will arise, you can cope up with them. Okay, then complex, it is complex in nature, the environment is complex, we never know what can happen in our fractions. Okay, so many different or interconnected factors come into play with the potential to cause chaos and confusion. But because environment is complex, the environment is surrounded by different kind of people, different kind of mindset, different kind of situations. So that is why we are saying that it is complex. Okay, and we need to formulate the strategies, we need to formulate the policies, we need to have the plannings in that specific complex environment. Okay, so that we can compete with the competitors, we can compete with the competitive scenario. Okay, then ambiguous means lack of clarity. Okay, people are from different backgrounds working in the organization, they are having different working style, they are having different thinking patterns, they are having different behavioral patterns, they are having different cultural backgrounds. Okay, so we can say there can be a lack of clarity or awareness about the things, about the people, about the situations. Maybe one point that is correct in my opinion, that point is incorrect in the other person's opinion. Okay, so this is differences in the thoughts, differences in the bringing, differences in the belief systems of the people. So we can say that environment is volatile, environment is uncertain, and environment is complex, and environment is ambiguous. There is no clarity what can happen. Okay, who are having the VUCA skills are very much strong in predicting the things, or in estimating the things, anticipating the things, or they are more able to find out the solutions so that the things can be compensated, or the things can be, or the plans can be executed when, as and when required. Okay. VUCA represents a set of challenges that individuals, team, managers, organization in affected industries have to face. Why? Because whenever we are working in the organizations, okay, we have to work in a team. The targets that are given to the people, that are always or most of the time that are given into the teams. So unless and until we will not understand the psychology of the people, we will not be able to adjust with the team. Okay, or if we will not give the regard or respect to the team leader, the leader will not consider our problems, the leader will not consider our priorities. Okay, so it is also a tough challenge to understand the people who are working in the organization. It is very tough challenge. It is a very difficult situations to work with the teams, to maintain the healthy relations between the managers, between the employees and employer or organization as well. Okay, so VUCA skills represent, VUCA people are always do a kind of challenging act so that they can cope up with the individuals, they can cope up with the teammates, they can cope up with the managers, they can cope up with the organizational issues. Okay, so we can say individually, if there is a problem, or if there is one or two problems, so the few problems can be understood and can be managed. But these problems, when they become one, they become united and they become a big issue that can avoidable, we can say. Okay, so this is the importance of VUCA, or this is the VUCA word. So the people who are working in the organization, they always should have the sense of responsibility, sense of accountability, that they have to manage with the changes, they have to manage with the unexpected events, undesirable events, or they always have to manage with the environmental issues, and accordingly they have to manage, accordingly they have to formulate these strategies and policies for the business, so that the business cannot be affected by such kind of uncertain events, such kind of uncertain VUCA environment can destabilize the people and make them anxious, because if you are not having the good understanding about the changes, if you are not that much ready to accept the change, if you are rigid in nature, if you are very strict to the plannings that you have done in your mind, so it becomes, or we can say it destabilize your strength, it destabilize your potential to work with the changes, to adjust with the changes. Okay, then can affect your motivation level, can affect your confidence level. Okay, because when you have planned something, when you have planned the activities, when you have planned these strategies and policies, and something that is undesirable that happens, then most of the time it creates a lot of confusion, it creates a lot of irritation, frustration, or we can say hopelessness, consciousness among people, or we can say people cannot cope up with that specific thing that their planning are failed. Okay, then VUCA environment can ruin the career moves. Okay, VUCA environment can ruin the career, because you have planned something else for your career, but due to circumstances something other is happening to you, something other is happening with your life. So we can say it can ruin the career moves. VUCA environment can make constant retraining and reshaping a necessity. Okay, means when you are living in a VUCA world where the sudden things can happen, unexpected events can happen, so you always need to retrain yourself. You always need to learn something new and new from the changes from your past and present experiences, so that you can develop those skills that can improve your personality, that can improve your IQ level, that can improve your knowledge and skills. Okay, it is not like that one time you have gained training of any specific skill and that is over. No, every time and every aspect of life in this VUCA world, you always need to reframe yourself, you always need to upgrade yourself, you always need to groom yourself to in the competitive scenario. You always need to reshape your personality. Okay, you always need to reshape the your thoughts, your attitude, your perception towards any event or situation or decision. Okay, so you always need to refresh your knowledge so that your knowledge cannot be obsolete. Okay, then take huge amount of time and effort to fight. Okay, means the people who are very good in vocal skills, they take huge time to think and they take the decisions. Okay, whenever you are taking the decisions and you are taking the decisions in very hurry mode, in very quickly mode, so maybe those decision cannot give you the better results or favorable results. Okay, so you need to have the proper time, you need to have in-depth time and in-depth effort to fight with the issues, to fight with the environmental issues, to think over them and to find out the solutions to fight with them. Okay, then VUCA environment can increase the chances of people making bad decisions, because due to the volatility or due to the uncertain conditions, due to the complex structure of the environment, due to the ambiguous nature of the environment, sometimes it happens that it increases the chances of bad decisions, because most of the time what we do according to the situation, we do according to the need of time. Okay, so sometimes it happens that we take wrong decisions due to the wrong conditions, and that wrong conditions, that wrong decisions can give you the harmful results in your business growth, in your organization objectives accomplishment. Okay, then VUCA environment can paralyze decision making process. As I have told you earlier, in this kind of scenario, in this kind of environment, people get confused like what to take decision or what not to take decision. Okay, what is right, what is wrong, they do not have the clear understanding, because they think like they have to take the decision according to the situation, scenario, or they have to take the decision according to the demand, they have to take decision according to the people. So at what extent and how they have to take decisions, they get confused most of the time. That is why we can say that it paralyzes the decision making process. Then VUCA environment threaten long-term projects and developments and innovations. Okay, so VUCA environment threaten the long-term projects, because long-term projects involves a deep planning, a systematic planning, and in VUCA world nothing is permanent. Okay, the unexpected events can happen, so it always affects the long-term projects. Okay, because it affects the long-term planning, developments and innovations. Then overwhelm the individuals and organization. Okay, means the VUCA environment can affect the individual growth as well as the organizational growth. Okay, why? Because individual growth is considered as when a person is doing the effort to improve him or herself, but how he or she can improve him or herself. Okay, because nothing is certain. The people get always confused in which situation what kind of decision have to be taken. Okay, similarly with the organization, if the certain changes are there, so how to cope up with that? The managers usually get into the dilemma that what decisions will give the fruitful results and what decisions will give the negative results from the point of view of the organization. So all these things VUCA environment can affect, right? Now, how to manage in the VUCA world? First of all, how we can manage in this VUCA world, how we can manage the things properly, systematically. Counter volatility with vision. Okay, means whatever changes are happening into the environment, just embrace them. Okay, do not irritate with them, do not frustrate with them. Welcome those changes, welcome those challenges. Then only you can take good decisions, you can take rational decisions in that specific uncertain condition. Okay, if you will not welcome those challenges, if you will not welcome those changes, then what will happen? You will get hopeless, you will get confused, you will get frustrated, you will get conscious while taking the decision, and maybe whatever decisions you will take, that can give you the harmful results in your business. Okay, so accept and embrace the changes as a constant, unpredictable feature of your working environment. Do not resist it. Okay, means accept the change, do not resist the change. Like this change is coming, or the new challenges are coming, and we will not cope up with that, we will not adjust with the new change. Okay, so as an employee or as a part of the organization, if you will not change according to the time, you will not change according to the need, then sorry, you will not be able to survive anywhere. The organization will not keep you, the organization will not retain you as in longer perspective, long-term perspective. Right? Then create a strong, compelling statement of team objectives and value, and develop a clear shared vision of the future. Okay? Means just create the objective of a team, why you have framed the team. Okay? Whenever you want to cope up with the VUCA, you need to have a strong team, so that the majority of the thoughts can combine, and the fruitful or the strong outcome can be generated from the combining all the brains. Because when the people will give you the different solutions in a team, that we can say we can easily cope up with the changes, we can easily cope up with the uncertain conditions. Okay, then make sure that you set your team members flexible goals. The goal should be flexible in nature, the goal should not be specific, the goals should not be resist to change. Okay, like as and when required, according to the need, according to the time, the goal should be flexible, the goal should be changed. Okay, so that the people of your team, the team members, cannot have any kind of problem while dealing with the uncertain situations. Okay, means they should have the clear understanding, when the changes will come, we can have different perspective, we can have alternatives in taking the decisions. Okay, then second is meet uncertainty with the understanding. Okay, means whenever the uncertain conditions are coming into the business, okay, means suddenly the sales become down, suddenly the demand of the product can slow down, the profit maximization process can be zero, suddenly it can happen. Okay, and due to environmental issue, due to the customer preferences, due to anything, due to any issue in the environment. Okay, so we always have this kind of approach, that whatever uncertain conditions are coming into the business, we should deal with the maturity, we should deal with the mutual, or we should deal with the mature understanding. Okay, we should not become hopeless, we should not become anxious, we should not become conscious while taking the decisions for the organization in VUCA world. Okay, so for that, what we can do, we can pause to listen and look around. This can help us to understand and develop new ways of thinking. Means whenever the changes are coming, just think and think once, twice and thrice. so that the effective decisions can be generated from your mind. Okay, how to cope up with the VUCA word? This thing can be generated in your mind. So stop listening and start thinking. When you will start thinking, when you will do creative thinking, when you will focus or pay attention into searching the solutions, exploring the best possible ways to manage the VUCA word, definitely you will be cope up with the uncertainty with understanding. Okay. Then make investing in analyzing and interpreting business and competitive intelligence as a priority. We should always analyze that whatever situations are coming, the business should be at the priority. We should not use such kind of plannings, we should not use such kind of strategy that can harm our business, that can harm the goodwill of the business, goodwill of the organization, brand name of the organization. Okay, so we should always invest, analyze and interpret the business and competitive intelligence as a priority. Okay, how intelligently we can cope up with the competition, how intelligently we can cope up with the competitive world, this should be our priority. Okay, then review the performance. After taking the decisions into VUCA word, the managers need to review the performance. Is there any improvement in the performance of the organization after coping up with the VUCA? Or there is no change, there is no improvement in the performance. Okay, so if there is no change, then follow up, find out the root cause of the problem, why it is so, why the people, why the organization or business cannot coping up with the uncertain conditions, why the managers are failed to take the proper decisions, to take the formulate the plans or strategies for the business. Okay, to fight with VUCA, right? Then third one is react to complexity with clarity. Okay, means, okay, because it is surrounded by many environmental issues, it is surrounded by many people. Okay, it is surrounded by such elements that can affect your business directly or indirectly. So it is very complex. So we need to deal with complexity with the clarity. When the plans will be clear, when the strategies will be clear, then we can easily cope up with the complex structure of the environment, complex structure of the change. Okay, so for that, what we can do, we can communicate clearly with the people. Okay, in complex situations, clearly expressed communication help them to understand the team's organization direction. Okay, when you will be clearly mentioning, you will be clearly expressing the suggestions or communicating the suggestions, like what you have to do. Okay, when the managers in VUCA word, when the managers will communicate the things properly to the team members, to the subordinates, to the employee of the organization, like in this way you have to proceed. When things will be clear, when instructions will be clear into the subordinates' mind, then definitely they will cope up with the VUCA word. So communication is very important. Communication play a very important role in managing with the VUCA word. Unless and until the instructions, the information, the knowledge will not be clear, will not be correct, okay, or the strategies will not be clear, so how the people will fight with VUCA, or how people will formulate the strategies and execute or implement those strategies to save your business. Okay, so first, it is very important to react to complexity with the clarity. Okay, for that we can also develop team and promote collaborations. Okay, VUCA situations are often too complicated for one person to handle. So it is the teamwork. For an individual person, it is impossible to fight with VUCA because environmental situations can affect the business at a very larger or greater extent. So individually, a person cannot fight with VUCA. For that purpose, team is required. Because in team there is a majority of people who are having different opinion, who are having different expertise, different experience, and on the basis of those expertise and experience, they can formulate the plans to cope up with the VUCA, right? Then fourth is fight ambiguity with agility. Okay, so what is unclear or the things that are unclear to us, we can remove those unclear messages, we can remove those unclear information and make it very clear. Okay, for that what we can do, we can promote flexibility, adaptability and agility. Okay, means we can give the agility means liveliness, we can give the liveliness environment, we can give the flexible environment, we can give the adaptable environment to the employees, so that they can retain in the organization for longer time of period and they can do well while fighting with the VUCA. Okay, when they will be ready to accept the changes, they will be more adaptive. When they will execute the plans as per the need, they will be flexible. And when they will be satisfied from the side of organization, they will be agile. Okay, so plan ahead and build in contingency time and be prepared to alter your plans as event unfolds. Okay, so we should always be flexible in nature. As and when required, we can execute our plannings, we can execute our alternative decisions to fight with the VUCA word or to save our business, okay, to save our brand image, okay, or to save our goodwill of the organization. Okay. Then second thing what we can do, we can hire, develop, promote people who thrive in VUCA environment. We can recruit those people who are very strong in VUCA skills, who are very strong initiators, okay, who like to work on an collaborative manner, who are comfortable with the changes, who are ready to accept the changes anyhow, who love to take challenges. Such kind of people the company can recruit, the company can hire. Okay, so when such kind of people will join your organization, then the capacity or capability to deal with VUCA word will be automatically increases, or we can say the organization can survive into the competitive scenario. Okay, then third what we can do, we can encourage the people who are having good VUCA skills, okay, or we can encourage the people to think out of the border, out of the boundaries. Okay, like if this uncertain condition will happen, then what will be the out of boundary solution of that? So VUCA word encourages the person, encourages the employees to think and work outside of their usual factual areas, outside the boundaries of their thoughts, so that their knowledge, experiences and their thinking capacity can be increased. Okay, and they can do well, they can cope up well in VUCA world. Okay, then lead your team members but do not dictate or to control them. You should always be a good leader. When you will be a good leader, then only the people can follow you. If you will try to control them, if you will try to command them, if you will try to dominate them, the people will not be able to ready to work in the team. In teamwork, the collaboration, the coordination, cooperation is required. Team cohesiveness is required. Respect and regard is required. Okay, so lead your team. Do not command or do not control your team. Okay, then develop a collaborative environment and work hard to build your consensus. Then embrace the idea culture, means you need to appreciate such kind of people who are giving you the valuable suggestions, who are giving you the valuable ideas, so that you can implement those ideas for the betterment of your future, for the betterment of your organizational growth, for the betterment of the fighting with VUCA word. Okay, or you can reward, you can give the reward to these team members, to these employees who are giving you the valuable suggestions, valuable inputs. Okay, so that the vision or goals and objectives of the organization can be achieved properly. Okay, you can appreciate them for the risk taking moves. You can appreciate them. You can appreciate monetary or non-monetary point of view to for fighting them against the risk. Okay, or you can appreciate. You can give the regard and respect or benefit for their risk-taking decisions, for their risk-taking moves. Right. Now, the benefits of managing in a VUCA world. What are the benefits if you are if you are strong enough to deal with the problems of uncertain conditions, if you are strong to deal with the consequences of VUCA world. Okay, so we can say you are more able to manage all the things. You are more able to manage your business operations. Okay, so for that, first benefit is implementation. Work with your people to address VUCA threats at a team level. Okay, means you need to address the VUCA threats. Means these threats can be there of VUCA, and these can be the solution. Or you can implement those solutions, you can implement those suggestions to overcome with the VUCA threats. Okay, so this is the first and very important benefit. Like we should implement the policies as per the VUCA threats that are arised into the environment, that are arise into the business. Okay, then decision making. See the complexity and uncertainty as a driver. Okay, to delving deeper before making the decisions rather than an overwhelming forces. Okay, you should always focus on the decision making process rather than the getting negative or getting hopeless, getting conscious about the problems. Okay, so always we should focus on the rational thinking, the critical thinking, the innovative thinking, so that we can take the effective and efficient decisions to cope up with the VUCA world. Okay, then third benefit is innovation and creativity. Okay, consider process and workflow innovation as a way to tackle VUCA. Means whatever innovation we are trying to implement, we are trying to do with the product or with the service or with the organization, whatever creativity we want to do with the policies, strategies or product or services. Okay, so we should always consider that this innovation and creativity is going to give the benefit to the organization to cope up or to fight with the VUCA world. Okay, then searching for opportunity. VUCA world. Fighting with the VUCA world gives you better deals and opportunities instead of relying on your usual vendors and suppliers. Okay, means this VUCA fighting says that do not stick on existing parties that are related to your business. Okay, like suppliers, vendors, retailers, wholesalers. Just search new options also. Search better deal also. Okay, such kind of deals, such kind of alternatives that can give you the better results, that can give you the cheap and best resources. If you will stick to the existing parties, maybe they are not giving you any kind of benefit in terms of resources, in terms of financial aspects. Okay, search something new, search new alternatives for that. Okay, that team building and organizational culture. Adversity and challenges can unsettle people. Okay, because adverse situation can come into the life. There are many up downs that come into the people life, and due to those ups and downs, people may get hearted, people may get discomfortable. Okay, or people have this hopelessness from the life, from the we can say experiences. Okay, so team building is required. Okay, when they will work in the team, then they will generate, or they are more able to generate a productive outcome. Okay, so we can say people should always focus on the attention and encourage the people to work towards a common goal. It is the prime responsibility and duty of a manager, of a leader of the organization, to encourage the people to work in a team, to learn how to adjust with the team, how to get the work done in a team, how to behave properly in a team. Maybe a person is technically very sound, but he is very poor in behavioral skills. Okay, he is not able to work with the people, he is not able to work, he is not able to cooperate with the people. Then what is the use of the knowledge of that person? Okay, so maybe technically you are very sound, but still you should be behaviorally sound also. Behavioral skills are also required to survive into the organization. Okay, so the managers, the organization owners can always motivate the people, okay, or encourage the people to achieve the common goal, or to put the best efforts for the organizational goals and objectives. Okay, then last is recruitment. Okay, recruitment means for fighting with the VUCA word, the manager should recruit such kind of people or promote such kind of people who are very comfortable in this volatile environment, who are very comfortable with the changes, who are ready to accept the challenges. Okay, who are very rational thinker, who are having strong control on their emotions, who can take decisions practically, okay, in this ever changing environment. So these are the benefit that a person can have to fight with the VUCA word, to fight or to improve the VUCA skills. Okay.